Want to quickly fund your Robinhood investment account? Adding a debit card is a fast way to deposit money and start trading. In this guide, I'll show you how to easily add a debit card to your Robinhood account. To add a debit card, open the Robinhood app on your smartphone and log in. Navigate to the account icon, then look for Transfers or Banking. Select Add Funds or Deposit. You'll then see options for funding your account. Choose Debit Card as your deposit method. You'll be prompted to enter your debit card details, the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Finally, enter the amount you wish to deposit and confirm the transaction. Robinhood uses secure encryption for your card details. Funds deposited via debit card are often available instantly for investing, though some limits may apply. And there you have it. Adding a debit card to Robinhood is quick for instant funding. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.